Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. In today's practice, we're going to explore how to create a job listing page with advanced filtering options using the mbviews extension of MetaBox. This setup is incredibly useful for job boards, company career pages, or freelance marketplaces, allowing users to quickly find the most relevant job opportunities. Imagine you're building a career website that serves both job seekers and recruiters. The site will display job listings, allowing candidates to easily search for opportunities by job title, type, skills, and experience level. Besides, recruiters can submit new job posts directly from the front end. And also can manage everything seamlessly. All of this is built on a solid system that makes the whole process easy and efficient for users. Let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll create a custom post type and custom fields for job listings, set up a front-end submission form, and use mbviews to build a dynamic layout with real-time filtering. For a smoother setup, I highly recommend using MetaBox All-in-One. This premium version bundles the framework with all the necessary extensions, making it easier to access the advanced features we'll be using. These are the extensions you may want to activate. mbadmin column to display job-related details neatly in the admin panel. mb custom post type to create a custom post type for job listings. MB front-end submission helps to display custom fields on the front end as a form. MB views to build a template for displaying job listings with real-time filtering. MB builder to visually create custom fields for storing job details like job type, location, required skills, and experience level. And MB conditional logic to show or hide specific fields based on selected filters. Now let's go step by step. As we said before, we'll need to create a custom post type to store job listings. Go to MetaBox, Post Types to create a new one. After publishing, you'll see the created custom post type here. To store job details, we need to create a group of custom fields. This group serves two purposes: allowing recruiters to submit job posts from the front end, and enabling job seekers to search and filter jobs based on these fields. It includes important information such as job type, location, required skills, experience level, etc. Feel free to add more fields as needed. Now, go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and create a new field group. Just add field types one by one corresponding to the kind of content. Start by adding a text field for job location. This allows users to specify where the job is based. Similarly, add another text field for company name so users can enter the name of the hiring company. Next, I need a field that allows users to choose a job type, so I choose the Select Field type. In this Choices section, input the options. Pay heed to this box. It's available when you activate the mbadmin columns extension. When you check this option, there'll be a column in the dashboard to show which types of jobs are like this. This makes it easier to manage and view job types directly from the backend. In the same way, add another select field for working time. And also fill in the time options here. Since I only want this field to appear when the condition is met, I'll set a rule for it. So, move to the Advanced tab to configure it. You will see the conditional logic section. It's available when you have the MB conditional logic extension activated. We'll set a rule to display this field only when the job type is set to part-time. So, set the key as the ID of the job type field and the value as the part-time option. Continue by choosing an email field for the contact address, a text field for the contact number, and a URL field for the company's website. And select a checkbox list field for technical skills, allowing users to select required skills for the job. Choose this setting to show this information in the admin column. Finally, add a radio field for experience level to specify the required experience. Also choose this one to show it in the admin column. Once all fields are configured, move to the Settings tab, set the location as Post Type, and select Job to apply these fields to it. Now, navigate to your page editor, and you will see custom fields displayed. Simply input values in these fields. You see, when choosing the part-time option, there will be a working time section that appears as we set the condition before. These are some posts that I created, for example. The job type, technical skill, and experience level are shown as admin columns as well. First, create a new page for the job listing. In this step, we'll create a template to display posts on the page. That means all the jobs. For filtering the job, I'll do it later. Now head over to Meta Box, Views, and create a new template specifically for this purpose. With mbviews, you can insert fields into it by clicking this button and choosing any fields on the right sidebar to get data from them, or by adding some lines of code directly to the Template tab. This whole line is used to query and display posts from a specific post type sorted by publish date. Particularly, it declares that we'll get posts from the post type with this slug. And this helps fetch all posts in that post type. You can change the number to get the expected number of posts. This one specifies the order by publish date, and this ensures the oldest posts appear first. Next, use this function to get the posts. Since we have multiple posts, use a loop to display all of them. For displaying the job's information, just click the button I mentioned earlier, and then insert fields inside the loop. Choose Post Title to show the job title. Now, to show the location, company name, job type, and other details saved in the custom fields created with MetaBox. Find them in the list, then insert the fields as usual. The code will be generated automatically in the template. You also can set the output of the field. After inserting all the fields, move to the Settings section to set where this template will appear. Set the type as singular and choose the location as the page you created earlier for the job listings. Finally, set the template's position. On the front end, you'll see all the job information displayed. However, it appears as a basic list without any styling for now. To make it look more visually appealing, we need to apply some styling. Back to the Template tab, add some div tags and classes for styling, and modify the code. And move to the CSS tab to add some lines of code. Now, the job listings look much better. It's time to set up the filtering functionality. I'm going to show a mix of filters. You can choose whatever style works best for you. In the Template tab, add some code to display the search box and filter options for the job listings. This first script loads jQuery to handle events and dynamically update the HTML content. The second loads Isotope for dynamic filtering, sorting, and grid layout. Use these codes to create a search box where users can type keywords and filter job listings in real time. In a real case, we can filter job listings based on different criteria such as job type, technical skills, and experience level. Here's how I've set it up. This section retrieves all job types from the list and displays them as buttons. Each button has an attribute containing a CSS class, which is then used for filtering the job listings with Isotope. This section retrieves all technical skills and displays them as checkboxes, letting users filter by selected skills. And this one retrieves all experience levels and displays them in a drop-down, so that users can select a level to filter the listings accordingly. Then, you'll need to add some CSS code for styling the search boxes and filters. Now, the job search boxes are visible, but they are not functional yet. Thus, you need to use JavaScript to make them work. Go to the JavaScript tab and add the following script. This part explains the initialization of key variables used for job search filtering. This stores the regular expression for quick search. This one holds the value of the job type filter, selected via buttons. This variable holds the value selected from a drop-down for filtering jobs based on experience level. And this tracks the skills chosen via checkboxes. Next, this part activates the isotope library to filter and display job items based on the user's search. It checks each item and shows only those that match the filtering conditions. Then, this function is declared to reinitialize isotope.js after any change in the search. This code handles the event that occurs whenever the user types into the search input. The function improves performance by delaying the search until the user stops typing. The following code sections handle different filtering. By job type, by technical skills, by experience level. Right now, the job search box works, but the filters aren't functional yet. That's because while the JavaScript for filtering is already set up, the required HTML attributes are still missing. Let's add them now. In the Template tab, add more code. This one processes the filter values before adding them as CSS classes to each job item. These CSS classes are added to each job item to enable filtering. Now the job listings are fully functional. When you apply filters or search, the displayed jobs update accordingly. If you want users to submit job listings from the front end instead of accessing the back end, you can create a submit job page as follows. Now, create a new page. On this page, add the front-end submission form block provided by MB Frontend Submission. Remember the field group ID I set earlier? Enter this ID into the block settings, and you'll immediately see the submission form fields appear on the page. Choose the created post type so that when users fill in a form, there will be a post appearing in that post type. Switch to the front end, and you'll see the Submit Job page displaying the form. Users can now enter job details and submit them directly. Start by creating a new page where users can view and manage the jobs they've submitted after logging in. Add a user dashboard block, which is provided by the front-end submission form extension. There are some default blocks here. In the Settings section, look for an option to select the Submit page. This sets the page where users submit their job listings. Now, with the Job Manager page set up, you can edit or delete the job listings as you want. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to learn more about how to play around with meta box and custom fields, custom post types, and front-end forms, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.